In this case study, we're going to look at Ogden Tower View. Right now, we have a lot of apartment owners coming to us looking for a solution for all of the house or CAM meter power that they have to continue to pay. Remember, in most apartment complexes, all of the individual units have their own power meter, so they're paying for their own power. But the owner is responsible for all of those lighting in the halls, operation of the elevator up and down, all of the pools, spas, all those types of things are still the responsibility of the owner. The owner wants some relief on their power bill. So how do they solve that problem? Just like Ogden Tower View. Here's what the owners looked at. You have a 144 unit apartment complex, downtown Ogden. They pay about $24,000 annually for their house meter or their CAM meter, all their common area lighting and other types of power. They also wanted, unique situation, they wanted to take their premium units, which were on the top floor, larger units that had the beautiful view of the LDS temple or the mountain, and they wanted to make those renewable power premium units. So they wanted to not only meet their need, covering their CAM charges, but they also wanted to have a marketing advantage to be able to sell those premium units at a higher price point because they're renewable energy, okay? Therein lied the challenge. Another situation that we run into a lot of times on apartment complexes. The more stories you go up in height, the less size you have as a footprint to put solar panels to cover all of the power going on within that apartment complex. Ogden Tower View is a perfect example where we used a creative way of installing power and solar panels. Limited roof space, so we used a raised racking system that allowed us to get a greater density of solar panels in a small space. If we did it at a regular ballasted situation, we would have only got 189 kilowatts on that roof. Raise it up and put it in a different racking, and we got 236 kilowatts on that roof. It also gave a lot of greater access to all of the roof, HVAC systems, maintenance, even if they have to replace the roof, better situation in that regard too. What is the outcome of all of that? About a $24,000 annual savings, $1.5 million over the next 30 years. Think of that owner. That now is money going into their pockets instead of just going into maybe the utilities pockets. 3.8-year ROI. So great ROI for a business owner. We have a lot of apartment owners right now looking to see how they can get relief on all of their house meter expenses. Take a look. Great situation to learn from.